Students, now I am going to teach you some problem of exercise 1 as write the factors of about factors. 15 number question is exercise 1. Question number 15. Write the factors of 45. You have already read in previous classes 45 factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. The definition of factor is the factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. We have to find the factors of 45. 45 is divisible by 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. One, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Here 45 is divisible by all these numbers. 45 is divisible by 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So the factors of 45 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Here if we divide 45 by 3, its remainder is 0. If we divide 5 by 45, remainder will be 0. If we divide 45 by 9, it is also divisible. If we divide 45 by 15, we get remainder is 0. And if we divide 45 by 45, we get remainder is 0. So factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So all these numbers are the factors of 45. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. These numbers divide 45. So these are all factors of 45. Similarly, you can find the factor of 28. Now I am going to teach you about find the HCF of 54 and 72. 54, question number 17. 17 is find the HCF of A 54 and 72. HCF is determined by two methods, factorization method and division method. Here I am going to describe you, solve it by division method. If we divide 72 by 54, if we divide 72 by 54, here 72 is greater than 54, so 54 is divisor and 72 is dividend. After dividing, we get remainder as 18. Again, we divide 54 by 18. We get remainder 0. So last divisor is 18. Hence HCF बराबर 18 by division method. By division method, but in factorization method, 54 is equal to solution. 54 is equal to 2 into we can write 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 72 बराबर here we see that 3 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3 into 2 is common factors of 54 and 72. Here, common factors is equal to 2, 3, 3. Hence, HCF बराबर 2 into 3 into 3 बराबर 18. This method is called factorization method. So we can find the HCF of given numbers by factorization method, and this method is called division method. You can solve it if you are not given, then you can solve it in any one of this method. LCM of 36 and 42. Example. Find the LCM of 36 and 42. 36 and 42 general method, you know, LCM of 36 and 42 we write as and divide by 2. You can solve by this method. I know that you can solve by this method LCM. method, 36 is equal to factorization of 36 बराबर 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and 42 बराबर 42 is equal to here the greatest number is LCM बराबर LCM बराबर 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 7. Common factor, and after common factor we take rest number 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, greatest power 2 into 2, and at last we write 7. So LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 7 बराबर 352. So you can solve it any one of this method. Factorization method, or the general method of LCM. General method. Solve it easily. Now I am going to teach you about simplification. Simplify. 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. Simplify plus 5. Here 12 divide 12 by 3, we get 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. In simplification, we use at first divide 12 by 3, and after that we multiply with 4, and after multiplying we add with 5. 21. Are based on addition and subtraction. And 22 number question, write the following decimals as common fractions. Number questions 22, write the following. मतलब भिन्नों को साधारण भिन्न में व्यक्त करना है. We are given 0.7. 0.7 is a decimal fraction. To convert it into common fraction, we eliminate decimal from 0.7. After elimination of decimal, we can write for 0.7 is equal to 7 by 10. This is a common fraction. Similarly, 0.23, then we can write for 0.23 is equal to 23 by 1 after 2 0. We write 100. And after decimal there are 2 digits. So for 23 we write 2 0. And for 1 digit we write 1 0. So you can change it into common fraction in this way. There are. And now I am going to going to teach you 28th number question is a square shaped garden is of length 100 meter. How much long wire will be required for fencing around it? Shaped garden, ये वर्गाकार एक बगीचा है, इसकी लंबाई 100 मीटर है. How much long wire will be required for fencing around it? इसके चारों ओर घेरने में कितने लंबे तार की आवश्यकता होगी? इसको घेरने के लिए कितने लंबे तार की आवश्यकता होगी? It means that we have to find the length of its four sides. The length of required wire will be the sum of the length of its four sides. We know that a square has all sides equal. So question 18. Length of a square side. Length of a square shaped side. A square shaped garden is equal to 100 meter. So the length of the wire is equal to sum of four sides बराबर 4 into 100 बराबर 400 meter. Length of the square side is equal to 400 meter. Question number 28. You are given a square shaped garden which one side is 100 meter. We have to find the length of the required length of the wire. Length of the wire will be sum of the square of its four sides. So we multiply 100 meter by 4, we get 400 meter. Hence the length of the wire will be 400 meter. 29 number problem. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter of the given figure? Of the figure. Figure is given here. Half centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of this figure. To find this perimeter of this figure, we add the length of all sides. We have the length of all sides. Perimeter is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 18 meter. To find the perimeter of this figure, we add the sum of the length of its all sides. We add 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Total sum is 18 meter, hence the perimeter of the figure will be 18 meter. I hope that you can complete this exercise, and tomorrow I will start exercise 2. You know the questions. Thank you.